Building wealth with SCHD, a simple path to financial freedom. And when retirement crosses your mind, does it seem like you need a fortune to live comfortably? What if I told you that by investing just $120 a week into the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, or SCHD, you could not only alleviate those paycheck woes, but also set yourself up for a prosperous retirement? Today, I'll break down how this strategy can snowball into a portfolio worth over $2 million, ultimately providing you with annual dividend earnings exceeding $180,000. That's more than $15,000 per month. SCHD is an exchange-traded fund that focuses on U.S. companies with a strong history of paying dividends. Launched in 2011, it has become a popular choice for investors seeking both income and growth. The fund tracks the Dow Jones U.S. Dividend 100 Index, selecting companies based on financial health, dividend yield, and consistent dividend growth. Unlike some funds that chase high yields at the expense of quality, SCHD emphasizes investing in financially robust companies with a proven track record of increasing dividends over time. This approach balances the pursuit of income with the need for stability, reducing exposure to riskier stocks that might cut dividends during economic downturns. Since its inception, SCHD has delivered solid returns in both capital appreciation and dividend income. Over the past decade, it has provided a price return of over 120%. While this may not match the S&P 500's approximately 200% return in the same period, SCHD offers the added benefit of a higher dividend yield, making it particularly attractive for income-focused investors. Now let's explore how a modest weekly investment can lead to substantial wealth over time. By investing $120 each week, you're contributing $6,240 annually. Assuming an average annual return of 8%, here's how your investment could grow. After 10 years, your portfolio could be valued at approximately $91,000. After 20 years, it could grow to around $286,000. After 30 years, you might accumulate over $700,000. But here's where it gets exciting. With SCHD's focus on companies that consistently increase their dividends, your annual dividend income could also grow significantly. By reinvesting these dividends, you accelerate the compounding effect, potentially leading to even greater wealth accumulation. By the time you retire, this strategy could provide you with a substantial income stream, reducing reliance on your paycheck and offering financial security. It's a disciplined approach that leverages the power of compounding and the reliability of dividend-paying companies. Investing doesn't have to be daunting or require vast sums of money. By consistently investing a manageable amount into a quality fund like SCHD, you can build a solid foundation for your financial future. Remember, the key is consistency, patience, and making informed choices. Ready to take control of your financial destiny? Start with that $120 a week and watch how it can transform your life.